Hey guys, it's me Sophia, and today we are going to be doing another Easy Bake Oven video. I'm going to teach you how to make Easy Bake Oven chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. Okie dokie, so here is what you are going to need. You're going to need your little spatula to take your things out of the oven. You're going to need 2 bowls, one for the batter and one for the frosting, or you can just use one bowl and clean them out. Your mix, of course, some measuring spoons, some mixing utensils, and of course your oven. And while we mix our batter and frosting, you're going to preheat this for 20 minutes. So I'm going to get my first bowl for my dough out, my mixing, and my measuring utensils. I'm going to get some scissors, cut open this bag, and you are going to need water, so I'm just going to get it out of the sink. You're going to get 1 chocolate chip cookie mix out, and 1 chocolate frosting mix out. So you are going to get your cookie mix, open it up, pour it in your bowl. Make sure to get everything out. And you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of water. Now, I usually find that I'm going to need more water along the way, but we'll just start with this. This is what my powder looks like. It's a light powder with chocolate chips in it. I'm just going to mix in the water. Okay, so it's crumbly and it's kind of sticking together, but it is not super wet and how the consistency we want. We can't, let's see if I can mold it. Yeah, you cannot mold it very well, and you want to be able to mold it into a good ball. So I am going to add, I'm going to start with 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay. I'm going to mix it in again. Still kind of like that, so I'm going to add 1 more 1/4 teaspoon. Let's see if I can mold it. It's not. You know what? I actually think it is ready because it was able for me to mold it into a ball. So I'd say that this is good consistency. I am going to wait to do the frosting until we have the cookies in the oven. And I still have 13 more minutes to preheat my oven. But I am still going to be able to show you how to put these on the pan. To put on your mini pan so your cookies don't stick. I'm going to wrap it around my finger like this, and then stick it in some butter and rub it on my pan. Okay, that's good. You're going to need some flour to put on your hands and the cookie batter. You can also use non-stick cooking spray to put on the pan if you don't have butter. Same thing with the flour. You can actually spray non-stick cooking spray on your hands, and it will help so nothing sticks to it. So I'm going to just get a little bit of flour and put it on my hands. So I'm going to take my dough and I'm going to roll it into a ball and split it into 12 little balls. So I'm going to take these little pieces and roll them into cute little balls. Okay, now that they are all rolled, I'm going to space them out evenly on the pan. I'm going to do it 3 by 4. 3 down, 4 across. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you are going to press the balls down so they're not higher than the pan. I have 6 minutes left to preheat, and then I can put my cookies in the oven. Perfect. So, none of them are higher than the pan, and I have them all situated and flattened. So I'm going to come back in 6 minutes, and we can put these babies in the oven. So, my timer for preheating has gone off, so I'm going to take my cookies. Let me show you. Take my spatula, put them in the slit, and then stick them in until this little metal sheet hangs down and you can't see it. And I'll look on the other side too to make sure you can't see it poking out. It's good. So I am going to set the timer for 7 minutes and then check it. It says 9 minutes, but sometimes I've had experiences with it burning. So I'm just going to go with 7 minutes and then check it, and if it needs longer, I'll go 9. So while we wait for that to cook, we can make our frosting. You're going to take a chocolate frosting mix, open it up, dump it in your bowl. Make sure to get it all out. Then I am going to add a half teaspoon of water. And again, I've had experiences with this not being enough water. I'm going to mix it up and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, I don't know about you, but mine is still crumbly, so I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of water. Add it in there. Mix it up again. There we go. It's really starting to thicken up and become darker. It looks like real frosting now. I'm going to get the chunks out of it. Okay, I've mixed it all the way, and it is ready to be on the cookies when they come out. So I'm just going to wait for those cookies to bake. I have 3 more minutes. See you in a bit. So my timer just went off, and I took my cookies out, but they're still kind of soft, so I'm going to put them back in for those last 2 minutes. It has been those last 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and take my cookies out. I'm going to turn my oven off and get a plate. I'm going to get these cookies off the plate, and I'm going to let these cool for a while, and I'll be back with you. So 9 minutes was a little too long, and next time I will check the bottom of the cookies because they might have been ready, but the bottom stuck to the pan. So next time I'll put more butter and do it a little less. So I'm going to demonstrate with some of them how to do it. You have your 2 cookies, and you're going to take one of them and spread on the frosting. Okay, here we go. And then you're going to stack them. That is delicious. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.